What is SPIE all about?
Oh, hi. I am Sakshi and this is SPIE. SPIE stands for Society for Photo-Optical Instrumentation Engineers. SPIE is introduced in Acharya College in 2010 by a faculty advisor, Dr. Amit Garg. He is our faculty advisor and a major support system. In SPIE, we do a lot of research work, lot of projects and excursions. So if you want to know more about the society, let's take a tour to the lab first.
Hi, this is Kalpajit and I am currently measuring the temperature of this solar panel using Arduino. We do numerous research projects under the mentorship of Professor Amit Garg, and currently under SPIE we are currently measuring the spring constant using different sensors, and we are also trying to cool the surface of solar panel using water cooling and different methods.
Hey everyone, I'm Divyansh. So what's it like working for SPIE ANDC? Well, working at SPIE ANDC, working in SPIE ANDC, working with SPIE ANDC, whatever you want to call it. First of all, our faculty advisor, Amit sir, is super helpful. He is absolutely great and he assists us in academics, research, organization, presentations, everything. And then of course our chapter members. So everyone here is so well motivated and so enthusiastic. It's just so nice, you know, it's just so fun and enjoyable to work with people who actually respect and actually are passionate about their work. So it just is a very nice atmosphere for research and academics and basically everything.
Hi, I am Ankush and I have been part of SPIE student chapter for more than 2 years. Talking about the workshops which we have conducted recently, like MERN workshop, cloud computing workshop, Arduino and sensor interfacing workshop and holography workshop. We do conduct various excursions, like recently we have visited IIT Delhi, Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya, Nehru Planetarium and Museum of Religion. And we do believe in research and project-based learning, and it's core motive of our society. And I would like to encourage you to join the SPIE student chapter and make your journey different from other students. All the best for your upcoming college life, and do hard work, and meet you soon in the SPIE orientation program. Thank you.